What is up, Jits? Today we are going to wash the car with the brand new Armor All Red Bull Racing soap. Yeah, we'll see how it does in my pressure washer. It says you can put it in there. Yeah, so let's try it. So I've just got the Ryobi foam cannon to go with my Ryobi pressure washer. But yeah, we'll just score it a little bit in here. Let's go with like that. We'll try that out. All right. Let's do a little pre-soak. I was kind of hoping the sun would stay out or stay behind the clouds so it wasn't as bright, because this soap says to go panel by panel so it doesn't dry. So I don't know, we'll go side by side. Honestly, black wheels are probably the easiest to clean. That's just why I use the mitt and just pretty much rub the face, and then I use the wheel brush to get inside the barrels every so often when I need to. It just gets such a nice even sheet of foam. That's crazy. Like, I have that thing wide open and it's just a nice fan across the entire back. That is awesome. You guys will get to see how nicely it fans out here. I guess maybe I'm not using a ton like I thought. I've still got a good bit left in there. Not bad. All right, see if I can get this on camera. Look at that. Look at that, half the time. Oh my gosh, it's so much faster. It's not a super thick foam, which is okay, but it sprays nice. All right, so overall, I like this soap. It foams decent. It's not super thick. Works for my needs, especially because it's just a wrap. I just needed something that came out nice on my foam cannon, super cheap. The only issue I see is that you're gonna go through a lot of it super quick, but I still think this is very superior to Chemical Guys. Absolutely. I love this stuff. We'll see how it does in the rain. They claim it's hydrophobic and repels water and dust and stuff. So we'll find out. I've got some of their quick detailer. But until then, catch you in the next one.